Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. Thank you all so much for joining me here, Leos. This is going to be your daily reading, Leos, for your general energies and also for your love energies, Leos. So let us see what is coming up for your general energies, guys, and then we will be moving on to your love energies, Leos. So Leos, one card for your general energies, one card for your love energies, Leos. So for your general, for your love, so all I can see here is that they are going to come, but not now, okay? But it might take some while for this to come. They need to solve all of their childhood traumas, all of that weird situation that they got themselves involved in. So first they need to solve these situations, first they need to make these situations right, they need to solve it before they come towards you guys. I'm not saying this person doesn't love you, I'm not saying they don't care for you, I'm not saying that they never cared for you, I'm not giving any kind of negative feelings, or I'm not saying anything negative to stop you from this person, guys. All I'm saying that is that they're going to come to you, but it is going to take time. It is not going to be so fast because they still have a lot of childhood traumas, a lot of childhood issue to deal with. Something in their family situation, some crisis happen occurred in their family situation, and they're going to take this time to solve all of those personal issues. They're going to take this time to let go of these personal issues so that they can make their move towards you guys, okay? So this is what this person's doing right now. They're going to let go of their personal issues, and then they're going to come towards you guys, okay, after they let go of all of these issues that they are facing right now. So that is all I can see here, guys, my lovely Leos, and I hope this reading really resonated with you guys, my lovely Leos. So yes, and for your general energies, I can see here that again it can be a twin flame or a soulmate connection, it can be a high soul connection, but this is not the time for it to manifest. It is going to manifest, but not right now, and you need to know that. So bye guys, see you all tomorrow, Leos. Bye.